There are a lot of coyotes around here. There are fish jumping everywhere. Jeez, all over the place, man. People are clearing out. It looks like there's not going to be anybody camping tonight. So I hope to have this place all to myself.
Alright, so after enjoying a really nice sunset on the water's edge, I kicked on my Princeton Tech collapsible lantern and got ready to cook up some dinner. I've been in a toasted sandwich kick as of late, so I used the BioLite to cook up a really great grilled cheese sandwich with bacon and onions, and ate that along with, had an IPA for dinner, and then settled in to listen to the Call of the Wild. Check it out.